I'm Nancy Marshall, the PR maven, and I am so excited about this year's Agents of Change conference. I'm going to be conducting a very interactive 40-minute workshop where you're going to essentially learn how to differentiate yourself from everyone else who does the same thing you do, and so that you're the one people think of when they need what you have to offer. I'm going to teach you how to be a magnet for the people who need what you have to offer, and actually how to also repel those who don't belong in your circle of influence. And by the way, anybody who buys a VIP pass is going to get a copy of my book, Grow Your Audience, Grow Your Brand. And the books will also be for sale at the conference. This really is a step-by-step guide on how to establish a strong personal brand so you can differentiate yourself and so you can grow your network, grow your influence, and you can become the one that everyone thinks of when they need what you have to offer. I look forward to seeing you at Agents of Change.